$5,587 for a pair of shocks. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean. This is Dream Cars Daily. Today I'm taking the Ferrari to Chicago. Yeah, I'm taking it to the Ferrari dealer. It took quite a beating on the rally. There's a few things that I'd like to have looked at and just make sure it's in good order. There are a lot of things that I need to do to it. The wrap is going to be coming off and inspecting the paint underneath. Maybe a new wrap? I don't know. I like the idea of a new wrap. I want to make sure that all the suspension's in good shape. Like I said, it took a beating. I am a mechanic. I know how to work on cars. However, I want their opinion on this car. It may be things that I end up fixing myself, but I want them to say, hey, this isn't right. You should look at this, or you should take care of this. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So off to Chicago. I didn't vlog every single step of the way to Chicago. We've driven to Chicago 100 times, and you guys have been with me for 100 trips to Chicago. Exaggeration, but Chicago. I'm here all the time. However, you've never been to the Ferrari dealer with me, because I've never been to this Ferrari dealer. So, here we are. This is a lot bigger than it looks from the street. Every time I drive by here, I think the place is tiny, but there are a lot of Ferraris here. Me going to the Ferrari dealer is probably an entirely bad idea. I'm going to see a million things that I want. So they're going to need the car for a couple of hours. They're going to let me know everything that's wrong with it, and then I can go from there as far as fixing it. I will show you guys what the estimate for repair is. I have a sneaking suspicion it's going to be a bit. My Uber driver has missed the stop. He has turned around and found me. How often is it that I end up somewhere and it's raining? I got dropped off downtown Chicago waiting on the car, and rain. Just my luck. I decided to get out of the rain, went to a fancy sushi restaurant, actually just a straight up fancy restaurant. And I ordered a bunch of sushi. Bon appetit? No. How would you say it in Japanese? Kampai?
Kampai? Oh.
Is it kampai?
Kampai.
Kampai. Alright guys, back at the Ferrari dealership. Gonna go inside and I'm gonna find out what the damage is. We'll look it over together. I bet neither of us really want to know. They're bringing my car back up, and before they do, I thought I would just take a quick look around because this is Ferrari Heaven. Earlier they had a F50 downstairs that was in the service department, and I think I could pick out about 20 of those that I would like to take home.
We can make that happen for you.
I'm sure you'd be happy to make that happen for me. My accountant would probably disagree with you.
Disagree with me. Okay, that's fine.
Surprise! Gas station. Again. Last time I looked, a full tank said it was going to get me 111 miles. I think I got a little more than that out of it driving on the highway, but it's still pretty bad. I'm not sure I'm allowed to travel on I-94 at all anymore. Rain. Again. Every time. Alright, well, we're back at the shop. And I have the estimate. It's not that bad. It's bad, but it's not that bad. So, $5,587 for a pair of shocks, $404 for bushings, and $925 for labor. Giving us a grand total of roughly $7,000. That is the total of the suspension damage from Corsa Rally and yeah, we've got some other body damage, some other little damage here and there. There's a lot to take care of after Corsa, but that is the complete and total suspension damage. So there you have it. A trip to Chicago, a day in Chicago, $277.50 for diagnosis, and I need $7,000 worth of suspension work. All right, guys. Obviously, we have a bit of a wardrobe change. It's a completely different day. I'm trying to finish up this video, and I was thinking maybe we should talk about some of the things that we're going to be doing. So the car sustained some damage on Corsa, a reasonable amount of damage actually. We've got some wheels that are damaged. The rear diffuser, that's damaged. There's some scrapes and some dings and some general overall damage. We actually got a little damage up here as well, right here. That's not looking too good. Windshield. I don't know if it's going to show up, but we do have a broken windshield as well. Yeah, all of that stuff needs to be fixed. The windshield, however, I think I can handle that part. So there's the suspension damage that Ferrari showed me, or they quoted me for. I wanted to go to them and make sure that I knew I was getting things right there. So I'm kind of thinking at this point, oh, I forgot to mention the headlights completely got peppered. They're like, these are all damaged, and the wrap is it's quite damaged in the front. So let's talk about what we are gonna do here. I think we're gonna take the whole wrap off, all of it, probably coming off, do a color change. I don't know what. You guys comment down below what you think I should do. So we'll change the wrap. The wheels need to get repaired, and then those are gonna get powder coated a different color. I don't know. Should we do something crazy? Should we do like a matte pink wrap with green wheels? No, don't do that. That would be awful. But throw some ideas at me. You guys comment down below what you want me to do, what you think I should do here. So we'll change the wrap. I'm thinking there's not a lot of aftermarket support for this vehicle. So we got to get custom. I've been talking to somebody about making a new custom front splitter, a rear diffuser, and maybe some side skirts. I don't know. How's it going?
Checking it out, man.
Say hi to YouTube. So I'm thinking new color change the wheels, custom front and rear diffusers, splitter, side skirts. Obviously we got to fix the windshield, but I don't know, man. I think we're gonna leave some of it up to you guys. I want you to tell me what you want to see the car look like, and maybe one of you is going to be the person that tells me what this car looks like. I've got some ideas bouncing around in my head, but I'm open to ideas as well, so let me know. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hit that subscribe button, throw me a like, and I'll see you next video. Bye.